I'm excited today, y'all, because this is, all right, we got 9 Christmas cookies videos shot, right, Teresa? And so today we'll be finishing up the 12 days of Christmas cookies. And I'm excited about this recipe. We hadn't done anything like it, even though there's one very similar in the new cookbook that my Aunt Trina made every Christmas. But this recipe comes from Becky Williams. And she said, Christmas cactus cookies. This is a recipe that my sweet mama used to make every year at Christmas. Now I make them every year and my grown kids love them. So thank you, Becky, so much. I love the name Christmas cactus cookies. And it's a easy, doable recipe, Becky, which me and a lot of our viewers really appreciate that. So I'm starting with 2 sticks of butter, which is 1 cup of butter. And I've got 1 cup of white sugar. So we're just going to cream this up until it's like smooth. Okay, we're almost there. Now we've got our milk and our vanilla that we're going to blend in. And I'm going to turn this down a little bit. I don't want to splash it everywhere. Oops, I've already done it. Too late. Is that as low as it'll go? Even the low speed on this little hand mixer is fast. Have to kind of watch it. Okay. Now I'm going to add our vanilla. And we need 1 teaspoon. Yeah, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is a real thick dough, y'all. So we got it all together. So we're going to add our nuts and our candied cherries. And I just love these things. So I think that's going to make our cookies look like a cactus. I think I'm picking up what Becky's putting down. Okay. So Becky tells us to roll them out 2 inches in diameter. So I'm thinking, 1, 2. So about that big around. And we're just going to cut it in half. I'm telling y'all, it is a thick, thick dough. Okay. What did I do with that? This cookie didn't even have any eggs in it, did it? And she said, refrigerate this at least 2 hours, or you can do it overnight. If you want to make this one day and think, heck, I'm going to rest, and I'll make them tomorrow.
I bet you could freeze this though, too.
It seems like you could. All right, so you see what we got? I love this part. Yeah, that coconut's going to make it look a lot like cactus, isn't it? Becky, I hope this brings back wonderful memories of when you had your mama and eating her cookies. I know I think about my mama all the time, and she was the divinity queen. Nobody could make divinity like my mother.
Another roll too.
Yes, I know, but I'm going to have to get some more coconut because I used a lot of it.
Mm-hmm.
I used a lot of it.
But I know you, so I have it off to the side.
Yes. Okay, so there we go. Looks so good, Becky. So got it in clean wax paper. I think this roll was a little bit bigger than the first one. Okay, in the refrigerator it goes. Minimum of 2 hours. Slice and bake. Yay. The Christmas cactus cookies have gotten so firm, and we've been told to cut them 1/4 inch. That's hard. Oh, look how pretty. Look how pretty, y'all. Oh, I love that. I love it, love it, love it. Look at that one. It's hard to cut them 1/4 inch thick, though. Oh, my goodness. These are so good. Yep, baking 375 oven for 12 minutes or till edges are golden. Makes about 5 dozen. That's a lot of cookie. But I love it, Becky. Becky, I love your cookies, girl. Becky Williams sent me this recipe. Christmas cactus cookies. And I love them. My coconut got a little brown. I don't know if it's, I know you cook these on 375, which is a pretty high temperature, to cook them at. But I might have turned mine a little too high. You'll have to let me know if I got these too dark, or you just need to tell me, girl. For 12 minutes. Okay, I'm just going to have to put a few up here to cool. But they look so pretty. I got some a little thick. But I find that it was very, very hard to slice them 1/4 inch thick. Oh, but look at them, how pretty they are. That coconut does not look too done to me. It's so pretty.
Yeah, coconut browns up pretty.
It browns up quick. But I just love it. I love the name. I love the way they look. And I love Becky for sending it to us. If you like coconut, you're going to love these. And I love coconut. My favorite cake, I'd have to say, is my coconut cake. So I do love coconut. But thank you, Becky Williams, for sharing something that's very special to you. Thank you for sharing it with us. And I know everybody's going to love it. So Merry Christmas, love and best dishes, with a whole bunch of thanks. Yum. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.